Unveiling the slang. What does a hot shot mean? Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the world of informal English phrases. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the term, a hot shot. Stick around to discover not just what it means, but how you can use it like a native speaker. The phrase, a hot shot, is an informal expression often used to describe someone who is extremely skilled and successful in a particular field or activity. But there's more to it than just being good at something. When we call someone a hot shot, we're implying they're not only competent but also somewhat flashy or showy about their abilities. It's a term that carries a bit of swagger and confidence. You might wonder where this term comes from. Although its exact origin is a bit hazy, hotshot has been in use since at least the early 20th century. It was often used to refer to someone with a streak of daring and bravado, especially in competitive fields like sports or business. Let's put a hot shot into context with some examples. Have you met the new lawyer? She's really a hot shot in the courtroom. He's a hot shot basketball player. He scored 30 points last game. I heard you're a hot shot at coding. Could you help me with my website? In each of these examples, a hot shot not only describes someone's skill but also the recognition and attention they receive from others. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this phrase, since a hot shot can be both a compliment and slightly boastful. You want to use it in informal settings. It's great for casual conversations, but it might not be the best choice for a formal work environment or academic paper. The phrase can also be used in a more adjective form, like hotshot lawyer or hotshot pilot. When used this way, it's directly attached to a noun, describing a person with exceptional skills in their profession or activity. And that's a wrap on a hot shot. We hope this video has not only explained the phrase but also given you the confidence to use it in your everyday English. Remember, language learning is all about practice. So try using a hot shot next time you're impressed by someone's exceptional skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and you'll be a hot shot in English in no time.